Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by preparing both devices, charge them, connect to Wi-Fi, and unlock screens. On Android, open the Move to iOS app. On the new iPhone, choose Move Data from Android during initial setup. Once you tap Continue on the iPhone, a 10-digit or 6-digit code appears. Enter it on the Android device. This pairing creates a temporary private Wi-Fi network between devices, so the transfer is direct and faster. And now on Android, choose exactly what you want to move. Contacts, message history, photos, Google account data, and apps where available. Tap Continue and watch the progress bar on both devices. Do not switch apps or lock screens. The iPhone tells you which apps can be reinstalled from the App Store. Those not available are skipped. Once files begin copying, stay patient. Large photo libraries or video files are the main reason transfers take longer. To finish, complete the iPhone setup. Sign into your Apple ID, review installed apps, and confirm media and contacts are present. Once the transfer completes, you may need to re-enter passwords for accounts and download specific apps from the App Store. If something goes wrong, transfer stalls or times out, restart both devices, ensure Wi-Fi and Bluetooth are on, then try again. Alternatively, move large albums manually using iCloud Photos or a cable. This fixes most common errors quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.